Hello viewers, welcome to the best purchase guide on YouTube. We all know that it's difficult to find the best product according to our budget. To make your purchase decision easier and to save your time, in this video our expert team picked only the finest items for you based on features, manufacturer's reputation, price and actual user feedback. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you're buying the best product. Please check the description below for product links and updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Bear Archery Compound Bow. The Bear Archery Cruiser G2, the perfect bow to handle whatever adventure comes your way. The maximum versatility of this bow is engineered for all ages and skill levels. The bow is adjustable from 12-inch to 30-inch in draw length range and 5 to 70 pounds peak draw weight. All adjustments can be made using an Allen wrench and there is no need for a bow press. The bow comes ready to hunt equipped with 6 trophy ridge accessories, a 4-pin sight, a whisker biscuit, a 5-arrow quiver, a stabilizer and sling, a peep sight, and a knock loop. The Cruiser G2 weighs only 3 pounds and fires arrows at 315 feet per second. With a super smooth draw cycle, the Cruiser G2 offers a 70% let-off. The advanced grip design eliminates hand torque for enhanced accuracy. The Endurafiber limbs offer lethal controlled power and the Rock Stops offset string suppressor eliminates noise and vibration. Our second best compound bow for hunting is Sanlida Archery Compound Bow. The Sanlida Archery is the winningest bow design of the past decade. Performance-wise, the Sanlida is about identical. At 18 to 31 inches axle to axle, it was the shortest bow of the test, as well as the most accurate. Bell averaged 3/4 inch groups with it the overall best of the test, and as a panel, our average was 1.04 inches. The Sanlida was also the quietest bow, but finished a few bows down the list for lack of vibration. That, along with being slower than the winner, was really its only stumble. The Sanlida is notable for its outstanding accessory design. The Sanlida also has a bridge lock sight system, which mounts the sight directly into the riser instead on the side of it, and it comes dovetailed for an integrate style arrow rest. The Low Pro quiver system is the most compact quiver I've tried, but if you're like me and prefer to remove your quiver once you're in the stand, get the removable 5-arrow version and not the fixed 6-arrow version my test bow had. Third choice in our list is WUX Listighost Hand Compound Bow. The bow riser is made of aluminum alloy, which is strong and durable. The rubber handle is on the outside to improve comfort. The hunting bow limbs are well made with black fiberglass board, which is uniform, smooth and hard to make bows more powerful. This right-handed hunting compound bow will be held in your left hand, pull the strings with your right hand, and determine the arrow with your right eye to achieve perfect aim. Perfect for outdoor competition hunting, training, shooting, target practice, sport games. The manual carefully before you use the bow. It will hurt you if you use the bow in a wrong way. The most important point is do not dry fire the bow, this will hurt you and the bow will break up. Number 4 in our side is Pandarus Compound Bow. The bow is for youth and beginner as an entry-level compound bow. First of all, thank you for choosing our products. Please open the package and make sure everything is included in it according to the packing list before installation and use. In order to ensure your personal safety, and the safety of the people around you, please read the instruction manual carefully and that you can follow the instructions in the operation manual to adjust the bow correctly before shooting. Pandarus is a professional archery equipment manufacturer dedicated to creating perfect archery experience for consumers. The M6230 mixed carbon arrow is one of Pandarus' ultra high-cost performance safety practice arrow, which requires 12 strict inspection procedures in the production process. It uses high strength and high straightness of the fiberglass shaft, which can be combined with a composite bow, slingshot, traditional bow for hunting or shooting for entertainment. You can replace the various other arrows to meet your usage requirements. Last in our top 5 best compound bow for hunting list is Centerpoint Archery Compound Bow. The Centerpoint Elkhorn is the perfect intermediate archer compound bow for building skills and proficiency, designed with the look and feel of Dad's bow. Featuring durable, heavyweight composite limbs, an integrated composite center shot riser with large sight window and heavy-duty all-weather strings. The Elkhorn has a draw length of up to 26 inches, up to 15-pound draw weight and a brace height of 8 inches with 65% let off. The Elkhorn measures 33 inches from tip to tip and comes ready to shoot with two 26-inch composite arrows, 2-piece quiver, finger tab, arm guard, arrow rest and adjustable pin sight. We've made it easy to match aspiring archers with a Centerpoint Archery Youth Bow. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.